welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can probably guess by the name of my program, we're going to do another stock video. And basically, this program will basically just open up a new stock web page for you. And by that I mean like a web page that shows you everything about a stock you want to see, for example like Google, like the prices and stuff like that. So I'm going to run it to show you how it works. So, see, it opens up AA stock tab, Love stock tab, and Google stock tab. And you might be asking, like, why those three? Well, here we have a text file, and in this text file we have AA, Love, and Google. And because this program takes the text file and parses it, then it knows that I only need AA, Love, and Goog as the three web pages. And also you might be asking, like, why Edge? Well, unfortunately, Microsoft did something weird to my computer, so now my default browser is Edge instead of Google, and that kind of makes me disappointed, but like, at least it prints it out, you know? At least it functions. And this is basically my code. I need to first install web browser, of course, and it is a Python package. If you didn't know that, it basically opens up stuff, and this gets the file and reads it. If I did like W like right now, then that would mean I wanted to change that, but since I only want to read it, then it's an R. And over here I basically just parse the file and open it up. And by the way, I open it up by upending the thing at the URL, like AA at the end of the URL of like this URL, so that it basically just gets that web page and not like the whole stock's like main page. And now over here it just opens it, and at the end it prints finished, and we can add, yay, because you know we need more enthusiasm. And that's about it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.